I was just walking to work this morning, jellyfishing net over my shoulder, sun was out, everything was normal, and then I saw something on the news. There was a lady. She had a special vest on, a bright one, with letters on it. The vest meant, I'm just here to watch. I'm not fighting anybody, I'm just gonna tell people what happened. She was shot in the head. And then this is the part I really don't understand. When people came to carry her to her resting place, somebody attacked them too, right there, at the funeral. And then the investigation closed. They said, we're not sure what happened. I stared at the TV for a really long time, then I went to work anyway, because what else do you do? But I kept thinking about it, so I started looking things up, in books, on the computer, the way Sandy taught me. And I found another story. There was a man being held in a facility. He wasn't going anywhere. He couldn't. And some people who were supposed to be in charge of keeping order, they hurt him. Really badly. There was a video. There was medical evidence. Broken ribs, a punctured lung. Injuries I had to read 3 times because I didn't want to understand what they meant. 9 people got arrested. I thought, okay, the system works. 5 of them were charged. The court said the evidence was strong. I went to bed that night, feeling a little better. Then I woke up one morning, and the news said, all charges dropped. Not because anything changed. Not because new evidence appeared. Because of something called a procedural technicality. I sat on my pineapple steps for a long time. I kept thinking, why did they even start the investigation? If they knew how it was going to end, why did they start? And then I thought maybe that's exactly why they started it. See, there's a rule. I learned it. It says, countries get to investigate themselves first. The big international court waits, steps back, gives them the chance. It sounds fair. But there's another rule inside that rule. It says, if a country is unwilling or just pretending, then the international court can step in, 1 conviction, 7 months, video evidence, medical evidence, and 7 months. I don't have the words for that. I looked for them. I couldn't find them. I know you might be tired. I get tired too. There's a feeling you get when you care about something for a long time, and nothing changes. It sits in your chest like a rock. It makes you want to stop looking at the news. Stop caring. Don't just go jellyfishing and pretend the world is simple. I understand that feeling. But here's what I keep coming back to. They're counting on that feeling. They're counting on you getting tired. On the story getting old. On people moving on to the next thing. On time, doing what investigations wouldn't. So, save what you see, write it down, screenshot it. Make sure it's real before you share it, because fake stories muddy the water and they know it. Call the people who are supposed to represent you, write to them, show up, and don't stop. The record is the only thing that outlasts the procedure. We build it together, one day at a time. Even on the days when the sun is out and everything looks normal and you just want to walk to work with your jellyfishing net and pretend the world is simple, those are actually the most important days to remember.